How to select best IAS coaching in Delhi? To select best IAS coaching in Delhi, first look for quality of IAS faculties. Good IAS coaching in Delhi should have good infrastructure. Check reviews and testimonials from past UPSC students. Top UPSC CSE coaching in Delhi should provide the best study materials and mock tests. Why Delhi is hub of IAS coaching center? Delhi is the epicenter of UPSC preparation, attracting over 50,000 aspirants every year from across India. The city hosts more than 300 IAS coaching institutes, including top names like Plutus IAS, Yojana IAS, Vajiram or Ravi, Drishti IAS, and Vision IAS. With access to experienced UPSC CSE faculty, comprehensive study materials, extensive test series, and mentorship programs, Delhi offers an unmatched ecosystem for UPSC aspirants. This concentration of resources makes it the ultimate hub for IAS coaching in Delhi. Know what are top UPSC coaching in Delhi. This article for you on top civil services coaching in Delhi guides you in the path of becoming the IAS officers. Best IAS coaching in Delhi details will be discussed shared to you in our article. Delhi remains the prime destination for UPSC preparation, hosting around 300 classroom IAS coaching institutes with more than 1,200 experienced faculty members. Aspirants prefer Delhi for its structured programs, high-quality test series, personalized mentorship, and bilingual courses in Hindi and English. Many UPSC toppers, such as Shakti Dubey, A1, 2024, Aditya Srivastav, A1, 2023, Ikshita Kishore, A1, 2022, Shruti Sharma, A1, 2021, Shubham Kumar, A1, 2020, Pradeep Singh, A1, 2020, and Riya Sharma, A2, 2021, have taken classroom IAS coaching in Delhi, benefiting from expert guidance, optional subject specialization, and comprehensive preparation strategies offered by top institutes. Rank 1. Plutus IAS. Best IAS coaching in Delhi. Plutus IAS, ranked 1 best IAS coaching in Delhi. Coaching in Delhi has attained the top position, ranking 1 according to our survey on the best UPSC coaching options in Delhi. The reason for this high ranking of Plutus IAS coaching in Delhi is its team of highly experienced educators as well as the strong support they provide to UPSC aspirants. In latest ranking of best IAS coaching in Delhi 2026, Plutus IAS is at number 1. Plutus IAS is known for its one-to-one UPSC guidance and personalized one-to-one UPSC mentorship. Each batch is limited to around 60-70 students, allowing mentors to track individual progress closely. The institute reports a 40% JOR selection rate among its dedicated students, highlighting the effectiveness of its interactive learning and personalized feedback system. Vajiram or Ravi, founded in 1976 by Prof. P. Velayutham, is one of India's oldest and most reputed IAS coaching institutes. With over 5,000 JOR successful selections in the civil services so far, it continues to dominate UPSC results. In the 2024 UPSC exam, Vajiram or Ravi has a strong presence in UPSC preparation and many successful candidates have studied there over the years, reflecting its long-standing reputation among aspirants. Every year, nearly 30% of selected officers are V&R students, making it a top choice for IAS aspirants across India. Drishti IAS, established in 1999 by Dr. Vikas Divyakirti, is one of the most reputed IAS coaching institutes in Delhi. It operates from Mukherjee Nagar and Karol Bagh centers and has produced thousands of successful UPSC candidates. In Free 2024, Drishti IAS reported a 405 crore rupee revenue and 90 crore rupee profit, reflecting its massive growth. But as a serious UPSC aspirant, you need to look for that coaching which is student-oriented, not just business-oriented. The institute offers GS Foundation, Prelims JOR Mains JOR Interview, optional subjects, and prelims, mains test series in both Hindi and English mediums, along with online learning programs through its Drishti learning app. Vision IAS, Delhi, offers a well-structured GS Foundation, Prelims Jod Mains Jod interview program, with offline fees up to 2,35,000 rupees and online fees around 1,60,000 rupees for the 2025 batch. It emphasizes personalized mentoring and a large all-India innovative assessment system. Apanjikrit Vyapar Chinha test series platform used by thousands of aspirants. Yojana IAS is one of the best IAS coaching in Delhi, offering highly affordable courses for UPSC preparation. It provides comprehensive IAS coaching in Delhi in both English and Hindi medium, covering prelims Jod Mains Jod interview, optional subjects, and test series. With its focus on IAS coaching in Delhi, Yojana IAS ensures small batch sizes, personalized guidance, and flexible offline or online modes. Students choose Yojana IAS for quality IAS coaching in Delhi at a reasonable fee, making it a top choice for aspirants.